what I wanted to just quickly show you was this URL builder here. So if you go to this URL builder, you can type in helium10.com/gems, or you can just go to the .com where I've just come and gone to the free tools here. So you get this URL builder here. And at the top, there's a video from Bradley, who does all the training and stuff within Helium 10. So he talks you through all these URL builders. Now, they're not the two-step URLs that we all know about, where Amazon have banned the two-step URLs some time ago, at least 12 months ago. But there's different URLs that you can use that will help you with regards to different areas of your business. This one was talking about some SEO. Then you've got an add to cart URL, which you might be able to use in some Facebook ads, and then also some buy together URLs. But the one I wanted to show you was this one here, which is a targeted ASIN search URL. Now, there's probably different ways you can use this. You could use it if you've got, a few products, say, or referring to the same customer avatar, and you wanted to do some Facebook ads, just one set of Facebook ads for your products rather than a different ad group for each particular product. You can generate a URL here where it will just bring up your products, and you'll be able to put that in. But I find another good way, if you're doing product research, of course, as you know, as a coach and the other coaches as well, we do a lot of product discovery sessions, and they will bring in products from different departments within the Amazon marketplace. Some might go into the pet niche, home and kitchen, garden, that kind of stuff. But also even within the same niche, they may bring up a whole heap of different products, which can be still within different categories on Amazon, like, water bottles for dogs, or collapsible dog feeding bowl, that kind of stuff. They still fall within different departments. So what this targeted ASIN does, I'm just going to bring up Amazon.com. So I'm just bringing up Amazon.com now, and I'm actually just going to click on the best sellers. So if I go over to the pet supplies, for example, and actually it's going to bring up the ASINs. Just give me a sec. So if you've got the Helium 10 Chrome extension, you get this information. So you get this ASIN here. So say I wanted to, I'm not going to copy that one. Let's go with this one. So I'm copying the ASIN. Okay. And this particular tool here, you can put up to 50 ASINs in. Okay. So you just do the list. So I've just put that one in, and then I'm going to go to this one here. Control C, and just bring this one over here. Go back over here. Then I'm going to go back to a different department. And then let's go into, let's try this one. Not that we would do apps, actually. Let's go back. Just going to get a different one. Let's go into the arts and crafts. Okay, so let's get some more ASINs as soon as my screen's still going backwards and forwards, because sometimes you have to stop share and then share again. So we've got heat transfer vinyl here. Control C, let's go into here. Control V. Then go back up, and let's try and find a different area. So here we've got a ring size adjuster. So that would be a different niche within a niche there. I think you get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm just trying to find different products with in different niches. And I'm just going to come up here. All right, so say you did that, so you're doing some product research. You can also put a whole list of ASINs here. I mean, the tool that I've got within Helium 10, which is black box, and the product targeting, I can use their system to get the frequently bought together. So if you're going to expand on your particular product and you want to look at what's being frequently bought together, and again, those frequently bought together products will all fall probably within different departments within Amazon. So you can grab all those ASINs. If you've got to do it manually, then just stick them all in a spreadsheet. And then you click the generate URL. And then what we're going to do here is open this in a new tab. And it puts them all on the one Amazon page. So you've got all these different department products that you're either researching, checking out, wanting to do your own, put your own ASINs in there if you've got half a dozen, or if you're doing wholesale and you've got hundreds, you can just select certain ones and it brings them up all on the one Amazon page. And then from there, you can even run X-ray on these ones from this page here. And then, you know, if you've got a whole list of, you know, I get some of my PDS clients to get a list of about 20 products, and I get them. I actually had one just before the call and told her to get all the ASINs in a spreadsheet if she comes across particular products, because then I can copy and paste those ASINs into this URL builder and bring them all up on here and just check them in the one space. I just think it's like a massive time saver. Just one thing, if you were picking ASINs from the Australian marketplace, it may come up as an error. You can see the URL here. It's just got all the ASINs listed there. What I found when I picked some from the Australian marketplace, all I did was in this top URL here, just change that to .com.au, and then all the products just appeared. Okay, because the ASINs might be marketplace specific.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.